Alright, 15a, we want to solve the double inequation, so it's sandwiched. 2 is less than or equal to the absolute value of x, which is less than or equal to 6. So essentially the absolute value of x can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or, any number between 2 and 6, because it doesn't have to be a whole number. So I'm just going to do this algebraically, okay? So 2 is less than or equal to positive x, which is less than or equal to 6, and 2 is less than or equal to negative x, which is less than or equal to 6. So 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 6. That's that one. I'm going to divide everything by -1, which means this becomes -2, positive x, and -6, and we change the signs, which another way of writing this exact same thing is -6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to -2, because we like the one that's furthest to be the left to be furthest to the left. You know what I mean? So we're going to solve question B the same way. So here we've got 2 is less than positive x plus 4 is less than 6, and 2 is less than negative x plus 4 is less than 6. So here I've got 2 is less than x plus 4, less than 6, because we don't need the brackets. Subtract 4 from everything. You don't have to write this working out. So 2 take 4, -2 is less than x, less than 2. Here, you could either expand these brackets, or you could divide by -1 straight away. We've been expanding the brackets every time, so I'm going to do that. 2 is less than negative x, take 4 is less than 6, plus 4 to everything. And I get 6 is less than negative x is less than 10. And now I'm going to divide everything by -1, which means I get -6, positive x, -10, and everything changes sign. And we write that so the number that's smallest is furthest to the left, and so -10 is less than 6 is less than negative 10 is less than x, it's less than -6. And for question II, I'm just going to copy it. So first of all, we have 1 is less than or equal to positive 2x, take 5 is less than 4. And 1 is less than or equal to negative 2x, take 5 is less than 4. So here we've got 1 is less than or equal to, 2x, take 5. So I'm going to plus 5 to everything. So I get 6 is less than or equal to 2x is less than or equal to 9. And now I'm going to divide everything by 2. So I get 6 on 2, which is 3, is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 9 on 2. Okay, with this one, I've got 1 is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 5 is less than 4. I'm going to subtract 5 from everything, so I get -4 is less than or equal to negative 2x is less than or equal to -1, because I'm subtracting 5. Now I'm going to divide everything by -2. -4 divided by -2 is positive 2. This is x, and this is positive 1/2, and my signs change, which means I need to rewrite it as 1/2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. And that's how to do question 15.